Hello friends, welcome to my channel Yuan Tech World. Today's video tutorial I am explaining how to remove the photo background without Photoshop. It is a very simple and easiest way to remove your photo background. So let's move on the video. Now I am clicking on the Google Chrome. Here you can enter one simple URL. This URL is available in our description. You may click on the URL, access it. Now I am entering the URL remove.bg and hit enter. Here you can upload the photo by clicking upload image, or you can drag and drop the file to here. So now I am clicking on upload image and the pop-up will open and I can choose this photo and photo is uploading. Within a second the photo is uploaded and the background is removed. Here two options is available. One is download image and another one is download HD. If you want to download HD image, you may sign up this page and you can access the HD image. So I don't want to sign up and I can use normal image. So clicking on here download. The image is downloaded. Now I can open the image here. The background is removed. This is one of the simplest way to remove the photo background by using remove.bg. So this is the end of our today's video tutorial. If you have any kind of query, you may text me on our comment box and the link is available on our description. You can access to use it. If you are watching first time in our channel, you may subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon to choose all notification. You can get our regular video notification in your YouTube page as well as your notification area. Thanks for watching. We will meet you on our next video. For the time being, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.